It's Scott at Pro Country Auction Service. It's Tuesday, June 17th. We're getting ready for that live auction event that we got coming up in Mondovi, Wisconsin on June 21st at the Buffalo County Fairgrounds. Some of the items have already been moved in. We're going to be moving tractors in tomorrow. Just want to talk about a couple things about auction day. If you plan on joining us on auction day, we're going to be having the auction inside under shelter, so we'll get a little break from the sun. It's supposed to be a little warm that day, but we'll have plenty of refreshments here and shade for you here as well. Also, I'd like to bring to your attention, pre-bidding is open at ProCountryAuction.com, so if you want to log in and register on the internet, you're certainly welcome to do that, and you can put your pre-bids or your max bids in on this auction. Again, live auction with simulcast bidding that's going to happen. Simulcast portion of the auction starting at 11 o'clock on Saturday. We're going to sell some small items from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then start that live auction portion. So again, you can go pre-bid, you can put your max bids in right now if that's what you want to do, or you can certainly, you're welcome to join us here at the Buffalo County Fairgrounds. Again, Saturday, June 21st, Doug Fisk Tractor Collection Dispersal Auction. It's going to be a great day, and for more information, you go to ProCountryAuction.com.